In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your purge solenoid on a Chevy Malibu with a 1.5 located in the back side of the engine where the intake is. So now with the engine hood open, this is the front of the engine, or the top of the engine. Front is this way. I'm leaning over the front by the radiator, and right here is the intake, and right below there is this purge solenoid. So now with bringing your arms up and around down by the drive belt area and up here on the intake, I'm just going behind it, like hugging it. I'm going to pull it right off that bracket. It's so easy. Just give it a tug, and now it's off the bracket. You can physically see it from the top here. So now I can physically see it from here, but I'm going to disconnect my electrical connector first, and there's a little lock tab. This white tab is a lock tab. Flathead screwdriver, little pocket one. I'm going to push that up like that, and then you're going to push in the center. It's really kind of difficult to do. These connectors on this Chevy are not the easiest to let go. So it's kind of a push down tab. So push down as hard as you can right there. Pull out. Grab this red tab and you get two little tab ears, push them up. Make sure they pop all the way up. I like to take a flathead screwdriver just to help it along. See if we can get that in there. There we go. Now you just pull that right off. Now you have the green one on this side. It's a little bit different design. This one, flathead screwdriver right in here. Pull that up and then pull that out. Now I'm just going to reverse the procedure. I'm going to push the red side into the green connector all the way down, then take your finger and lock that in. Make sure it's locked in all the way. You want a nice, good seal. Same with the red. Bring that all the way in. Then push it down, let it lock. No movement there. Now I'm just going to grab my electrical connector and plug that in. Hear that click too. And then take that white tab, push it right down. Now we can find that bracket, line up the mount, push it right on. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.